There are two ways to start an experience. You can play it either from the main menu or from within an existing session. If you want to start from the main menu, click on Experiences. This will bring you to the Public Experience menu. If you want to play content from your group's menu, click on the My Groups option and select your group from the drop-down. Once you've selected your experience, press Start and you will be brought to the Session Startup menu. Here you can then choose to create a single or multi-user session. If you are already in a session, open your menu. Then go to the Experience tab on the bottom of your menu. Then select the experience you would like to load and press Start. Once the experience is playing, you can control it by opening your menu again and clicking on Active Experience. Here you can pause, play, and rewind your content. If you press Stop, everything loaded by the content will disappear, but if you press play again, it will come back. However, if you want to completely remove the content, click Unload instead.